Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Google Suite or Google Workspace, and I'm going to show you how it works, how to use it effectively, and how you can leverage it to boost your personal projects, small business, or even creative endeavors. Google Suite isn't just for big companies, it's packed with free and premium tools that can help you create websites, send professional emails, manage contacts, embed media, and even monetize your content. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use G Suite like a pro and start seeing real results. Let's jump in, driving traffic and creating content. First, let's talk about getting traffic and exposure. Whether you're promoting a personal project or a small business, Google makes it easy. Using tools like Google Sites, you can create free, customizable websites that look professional and work seamlessly on mobile. Think of it as your online hub. You can link these pages to live radio streams, smartphone links, or even Google search to drive visitors directly to your content. For example, if you're running a small cafe or a local tour service, you can create a dedicated page to showcase menus, events, or local attractions. Next, consider creating product-focused emails or newsletters. With Gmail, you can send campaigns to your audience, use pre-designed templates, and even brand your emails with a custom theme. Running a dream campaign, for instance, lets you stay connected while highlighting key offerings. Premium tools and Google Sites for growth now. Let's explore premium Google accounts. Upgrading unlocks extra storage, enhanced email features, and tools like Google Minutes and Media Packs, which are perfect for embedding rich content like videos or music. Google Sites is another standout. You can use it to promote tourism, local businesses, or international outreach. It's free, simple, and comes with hosting included. You don't need any coding skills. Just drag, drop, and customize. For small businesses, integrating Google Places is a game changer. This tool helps showcase physical locations, making it easier for local and global audiences to find you. Pair this with a professional email signature and app integrations, and you're already building a polished professional presence. Multimedia and engagement is key. With Google Suite, you can embed music, videos, or other media directly from Google Drive onto your site or emails. This keeps visitors interacting longer and boosts interest in your content. Using custom email themes and content protection features ensures that your brand stays consistent while safeguarding your work. You can even add fun features like temperature monitoring widgets for Android or interactive voice models to make your pages stand out. Analytics and brand growth. To really grow your presence, you need to track analytics. Google Console and Workspace tools let you monitor traffic, see which content performs best, and refine your approach. Compare tools, save pages, and leverage global value metrics to measure your brand growth. Collect your key data, what the video calls gold pieces, and use it to optimize campaigns or drive monetization opportunities. Practical tips and monetization. Here's how to get started. Create a Google site for your project. It's free and mobile friendly. Link Google Places to your physical locations for better local visibility. Professionalize your emails using Gmail's premium features like signatures and labels. Embed multimedia content from Google Drive to keep your audience engaged. Monitor analytics using Google Console to refine content and increase traffic. And don't forget, Google Play offers free monetization tools. Whether it's apps, music, or video content, you can turn your projects into revenue streams without upfront costs. So that's a complete walkthrough of Google Suite. From building your website, sending professional emails, embedding media, to monitoring analytics and monetizing your work, these tools give you everything you need to succeed online. If you found this guide helpful, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're building with Google Suite. And remember, always keep your passwords secure and take advantage of the free tools Google offers. You never know what opportunities might come your way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on mastering digital tools and growing your projects.